So I always like to say, I want you to grow into the system, not grow out of the system. Every one of our systems is like a big set of Legos, whether it's the size of the Cobot, whether it's the end effector that's on it and the process, or if it's an external axis, whether it's a headstock, tailstock, a turntable, or a linear track. If we are welding small parts today, and 6 months from now I end up getting a new work order that's much larger parts than I can reach, I can simply reach out to THG, they can ship a track, I can bolt it on, and now I can expand the work envelope of the robot. Or maybe I need coordinated motion, where I need a complex part that needs to be rotated and welded at the same time. And that's something that's just a bolt-on option. So that modular flexibility in the design of the system as an end user gives you the ultimate power to grow with the system. If you're interested in purchasing a system or just learning more about a system, don't hesitate to reach out. We'd love to look at your product, your process, try to understand exactly what you're doing so that we can make the right recommendations and tell you whether a Cobot is right for you or not, and tell you what steps that you would need to take in order to start the procurement process or the implementation process. And then after the sale, you purchase a system, we're here to help you through the rest of the lifespan of the robot, whether that's weld development, phone support, we're here for you. And that relationship is something that we take near and dear to our hearts. We literally, every system you see from THG, whether it's MIG, TIG, laser, oxy-fuel, these were systems that were created for customers that said, hey, we would really like this, or we need this. So we developed everything using the voice of the customer to guide what we design and build. We're always developing something new, and we'd like to work with you.